Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Shen ka Jingïapynbeit put na ka bentagin riutli ki jaka hakawat ka baar ki badang don hapedeng ka Jingïa ka jia put pa ka jela Assam kan sabeteng Biang Hadien balakut ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka jong ka ying Dorbar Thawan jong ka jela Meghalaya. Unong Hadien jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 uba polling do uba longru hakaju kapor menteri jong ka Sorkar jela ha ka Jingïakren bakila pathai kubor ha ka khannyau trik uluber hazar arphulai Hadien balawai ka Jingïalang jong ka kunhun menteri ulai thu ba ka Jingïakren hapok ka Jingïalang kalong bet thik tang na ka bentagin riutli ki jaka ya ka jia put ki barang sa teng knang ba ka shongsuk shongsan kan wan phai Biang ha ki bentag haput jong ka jela Meghalaya bat ka jela Assam.
We made a mention of the dispute between Assam and Meghalaya, the border dispute, and we commit to resolving the remaining 6 areas of difference in a manner that will be fair, peaceful, and to the advantage of the citizens of both states. As I said, 6 areas we have finalized discussions on. 6 are pending. Anybody can say anything verbally, but the thrust of this government is on who physically owns the land. And to do that, we need proper documentation. So we can claim anything. It's so easy. But let's strengthen that claim through documentation and physical possession of the land. That is what we will do. Not today. Today we only made a mention that we have 6 more areas of differences to work on. So what methodology we actually adopt is up to the cabinet. Claims and counterclaims come because the borders are not yet settled. Once the borders are settled, the question of claiming and counterclaiming will not arise any further. Again, Meghalaya was created under an act of parliament which clearly mentions that the boundaries of Meghalaya are just an interpretation of an existing act. So they are temporary, as per that act itself, the State Reorganization Act 1971, which leaves space for us to redefine the boundary of the state based on current discussions. As soon as the budget session is over, we should be back to border talks.